Did it affect your career when you stepped in the open world and you wrote this letter? I mean, your ex-husband is a famous actor, Johnny Depp.
Of course, it's still to this day, you know, is a constant threat to my safety, my family's safety.
Seriously?
Yes.
If you haven't heard of the Texan actress and model Amber Heard, then you must have heard of Johnny Depp's ex-wife, Amber Heard. The Aquaman co-star found herself in the spotlight after she alleged her ex-husband abused her. Then, abuse allegations came out against her during two high-profile defamation suits, one between her and Depp, and the other between Depp and British tabloid The Sun.
What is the reason for you to stand out and say, I don't accept this?
Because I am incredibly lucky and privileged. So with that privilege and with that luck, with that fortune, I have the same responsibility to do with that
Is it also a
what
way
is
to
right.
deal with your personal situation?
It isn't about me.
Did actress Amber Heard lie about donating her net worth? Thus, one report surfaced that Heard was losing her role in Aquaman. Speculation about why flew into bigger frenzy than Hungry Piranhas and Feeding Time. With all this speculation and controversy swimming around, we wonder how much net worth Amber Heard has amassed. Dive into the rumors about Heard and whether there's any truth to them right there. Recently, controversy stirred up when Yahoo News reported the DC Comics Aquaman franchise allegedly let go of Amber Heard from her role of Mira. However, it wasn't for the reasons related to her controversial ex-relationships with Johnny Depp like many previously thought. The real reason for Amber Heard's alleged firing, according to Australian news source Sausage Roll, seems to be a violation of her contract. The report said the following: Amber Heard did not pass her physical examination. She put on some pounds and is in terrible shape. There is a clause in her contract which says she is required to be in good form ahead of shooting, and she's violated that. Other news reports add that Amber Heard is replaced by Game of Thrones Emilia Clarke in Aquaman. It is being said that Emilia Clarke, who is known popularly for her role as Daenerys Targaryen from Game of Thrones, is all set to replace her. Amber essayed the Mira in the Jason Momoa's Terror. Despite several news outlets confirming Amber Heard's fired status, the whole issue has been re-evaluated and debunked, as some sources have come out saying Amber Heard is in fact not fired from her role of Mira in Aquaman. Warner Brothers hasn't made a statement about Heard's exit, let alone explained the cause for the false rumors. According to Wealthy Gorilla, Amber Heard has a net worth estimated to be around $9 million as of 2021. The professional model turned actress started her career in 2003 with cameos in music videos and small-scale films. And the following decade or so, Amber Heard gained recognition with movies like All the Boys Love, Mandalane 2006, Machete Kills 2013, and The Danish Girl 2015. In 2017, Heard was cast in the role of Mira in superhero film Justice League and joined the DC Extended Universe. The actress mostly avoids more intimate dramas like Where the Crawdads Sing movie in favor of blockbuster and action films. The actress reprised the role in 2018, starring opposite Jason Momoa in Aquaman, which became the fifth highest-grossing film of the year, succeeding the popularity of her superhero role. Amber Heard became the global spokesperson of cosmetics juggernaut L'Oréal Paris, adding to her net worth. Amber Heard was married to Johnny Depp from 2015 to 2017, but the pair's divorce became controversial as Heard began to claim that she suffered abuse from Depp through most of her marriage. After public confession of domestic abuse from her ex-husband, Johnny Depp filed a defamation suit against Amber Heard, suing his ex-wife for alleging that she had been the abusive party. According to a THR article, Depp's finger was cut off during an argument at one point in a tumultuous relationship with Heard and halted one of his Pirates of the Caribbean movies filming. While Amber Heard has denied the defamation allegations, the trial for the proceedings is scheduled for May 2021. Johnny Depp also sued the publishers of The Sun in a related libel suit, featuring Heard as a key witness for the defendants. In November 2020, the High Court of Justice of England and Wales ruled that Depp had lost the case and that the majority of Heard's allegations had been proved to a civil standard. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard married in 2015. Their union was short-lived though, and the couple split in 2016. Heard filed for divorce and took out a restraining order against the actor, claiming that he was physically abusive. According to Amber Heard, these incidents usually occurred while Depp was under the influence of drugs and alcohol. At the time the restraining order was filed, Heard alleged that Depp had thrown a phone at her face and left visible bruising on her. The police later revealed that an investigation into the incident deemed it did not actually occur. Depp publicly denied the allegations, stating that Heard was attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. During the divorce, a settlement amount of $7 million was reached. Heard removed the restraining order and rescinded her request for $50,000 a month in spousal support. According to Heard, she donated the entire settlement account to charity. Johnny Depp is now speaking out, claiming that he has proof that Heard lied and actually kept the money. Here's what we know. Upon receipt of the donation, Heard said she donated the money to the Los Angeles Children's Hospital. When the hospital released its donor roll honor list in 2017, Amber Heard's name was definitely on the list. My philanthropic efforts have always been centered around medical care, especially with women and children. Medical care always struck me as a basic human right and necessity. I have been doing this type of work for the last 14 years with Children's Hospital and bringing hopefully laughs and alleviation and distraction to kids that are severely ill, Heard told People. Heard also said that her motivation for divorcing Depp and the subsequent restraining order she brought against him had nothing to do with the money. According to Heard, once proceedings began, she always intended to donate whatever monetary settlement she received from Depp. Some of the settlement money also went to charities that dealt with violence against women. In 2018, Depp sued newsgroup newspapers for libel over an article that dubbed him a wife beater. He lost the case and his appeals, and now he is trying a different tactic. Depp's legal team filed an appeal claiming that they're in a possession of a new evidence about the validity of Heard's alleged donation of her settlement fee. Depp's lawyer said that Amber Heard told a calculated and manipulative lie designed to achieve a potent favorable impression from the outset when she said that she donated the money. Depp's barrister Andrew Caldecott QC says that the check was never written. According to Caldecott, the Los Angeles Children's Hospital contacted Depp's team in 2019 to confirm that they had not received any payment from Amber Heard at that time. Depp's legal team argued that Heard's admission that she was planning on donating the money influenced the outcome of the trial. Depp's legal team had attempted to establish that the allegations made by Heard against Depp were simply a grab for his money. Her donation of the $7 million to charity is hardly the act one would expect of a gold digger, said Justice Nicole in his ruling against Depp. Now, Caldecott is arguing that if the truth about the donation had been revealed at the trial, it would likely have affected the judge's consideration of the evidence and testimony.